the launch of VIP Platinum Global Membership Card. Ooh, wow! Ooh.
Yoga. So thank you to Country Club for spreading joy, love, peace and yoga in the world. This year, the theme for International Yoga Day is Women Empowerment. It is all about the girl power and we truly thank all the men for supporting us. And we are all blessed to celebrate our 10th International Yoga Day. We're going to have a glimpse of Country Club Yoga right now. But please do Google about the Country Club at your doorstep, where you find more than 200 videos at the Country Club page of Facebook, which truly, of course, went viral and at the same time gave yoga to the world in a very special way by giving them youth, health, and the perfect wear. Yoga is a combination of mind, body, and soul, physical, mental, and of course the spiritual health, which is also looked after. In a world of mental health, it's like for all of us to rock on this very auspicious International Yoga Day. So now, at the countdown of 3, whoever is present here, we'll all say Country Club rocks. Are we ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Country Club rocks.
On this day, to mark the International Yoga Day celebrations, I draw a lot of inspiration from our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. In fact, last 3 years, I have lost about 25 kgs. I am a living example. Yes. I'm a perennial swimmer. I swim about roughly 45 minutes, 1 kilometer every day. But then I added yoga to my regimen, and look at the result. Being a brand ambassador of the Country Club is definitely a very big motivational force for me, and I am very happy that all the members of the Country Club have benefited from this unique experience. In fact, yoga at your doorstep has been one of the biggest success stories in recent times. In fact, more than a few lakhs of people used to attend, and Simran had done a great job. Give her a big hand for that.
Thank you, sir.
And today we have launched the Country Club VIP Platinum Membership Card. We have seen after the COVID, the economy has been really growing. During the COVID period, the hospitality industry has been very badly hit. But then we have recovered. In fact, the company has become zero debt company during the COVID period, and this has also given us a lot of boost to go ahead and try to explore new markets. With this intention, we started the new card, and like I was telling you earlier, hotels, airports, airlines are totally packed. That only goes to say that our economy is growing in a big way, and Country Club being a part of the biggest part of the leisure industry is a true barometer to test the number of people who are coming in and out of the country. We have given more than 50,000 room nights of holidays, second to none actually, and as we go further, we are engaging in dialogue with Airbnb and other big global partners. I'm sure, I think this coming year is going to be a great year, and I'm sure, I think people of this country will be proud to say that they are Indians first and then global citizens. So my dear friends, I thank you thank you all for assembling here at short notice, and let's take yoga to everybody. Yoga is our ancient Indian culture, and that is the best gift, yoga, what we have given to the rest of the world. So 3 cheers for that, and all God bless. Take care.
Thank you.
What a beautiful moment to be here. I'm truly thankful to Country Club for taking this initiative of spreading yoga to the world, which is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Right from 2020, the 15th of March, when pandemic was announced, the 16th of March itself, our trailblazer, the very dynamic Rajiv Reddy ji from Country Club, the chairman, respected chairman, took this initiative of truly spreading yoga to the world in a very beautiful way. So the entire 5 months, regularly, without taking a miss any single day, every day, we have the workshops, Country Club at your doorstep. We went live from Facebook page where we had people from South America, Canada, Japan, where these ladies were not on Facebook. Just through word of mouth, they joined Facebook just to do yoga and join the page of Country Club Facebook page just to do yoga at Country Club at your doorstep. And today I'm very fortunate, sir, that Country Club gave me this opportunity, and tomorrow I'm flying to New York. I have my workshops at New York and at Atlanta, and everything is by your grace. And also, having received several accolades by our honorable ministers all across India, I'm truly fortunate to thank Country Club for spreading this. And today, at this very auspicious 10th International Yoga Day celebration, where we had the unveiling of the utmost prestigious VIP Platinum Global membership card, which is a boon to everyone. Today we truly look forward to spending moments with our loved ones, and we don't have any space. But Country Club gives us that space for our loved ones, our families to come together. As they always say, families who come together swing together. So this is a beautiful moment for all of us to have this spectacular grand celebration. I'm truly thankful to all the friends from the media for always showering us with tons of love, because it's always Country Club, 'cause Country Club rocks.